Why is no one talking about social media videos and makeup? This is an issue. This was an issue for me. I know there are some people out there who are not being as visible, not putting their videos out as much as they would as if they felt more polished. Now, this is an ongoing debate, right? With people who are specialists in social media. You should be frank, you should be natural, blah, 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 right? I consult with people to build their businesses. I don't think they always want to see me in my natural state, right? Okay, when I talk with my clients on Zoom, I've got enough filters. I feel confident, you know. But when I'm making a video, it's a little different. Let me know if you have had to kind of go back and forth about this makeup and videos and first time people see you. I want people to focus on what I have to say. Let me know where you are. Let me know team A, makeup, team B, no makeup.